Well, it seems that controversy never seems to end. Now, the other big story, are judges public servants, and if so, do they fall within the mandate of the Right to Information Act? A few weeks after he said that his office was beyond the scope of the Act, the Chief Justice of India offered some explanations.
In fact, in an exclusive interview to Neha Khanna, Justice Balakrishnan said that while judges were indeed public servants, the issue of whether they could or could not be questioned under the mandate of the Right to Information Act was essentially a matter of interpretation.
Sir, a few weeks back you made a remark that triggered a nationwide debate. You said that judges are constitutional authorities and are perhaps not within the purview of the RTI Act. So would you want to clarify your views on that?
No, what I said was, as per the definition of public authority in the RTI Act, the Chief Justice or the judges may not come. It's a question of interpretation. So if somebody says that it comes, all right, we don't. But the judges are public servants. I have absolutely no doubt that the judges are whether public servants or not. Judges are public servants.
People are repeatedly referring to the 1991 ruling of the Supreme Court which describes judges as public servants. And so recently a parliamentary panel has said that judges do come within the purview of the RTI. How do you respond to that?
All debatable questions. The public servant earlier decision is correct. We don't dispute that.
Soon after the CJI's earlier remarks that his office was outside the purview of the RTI, a parliamentary panel report contested that claim. The report said that all public servants, including judges, can be asked to disclose information under RTI. In fact, other judicial experts are also unhappy with the Chief Justice's earlier remarks.
While on the one hand, the Supreme Court and the High Court sermonize about the right to information being a fundamental right, part of the right to free speech, etc., force even election candidates who are not even public servants to disclose their assets. But on the other hand, when it comes to themselves, they are not willing to part with any information whatsoever. The Right to Information Act expressly defines public authority to include all offices and authorities created by the Constitution.
Now, with the Chief Justice of India softening his stance and stating that whether judges are within the purview of the RTI Act is debatable, there is perhaps hope that some kind of a middle path can be found. In New Delhi, with camera person Saptarishi, Neha Khanna for NDTV.